Alright guys, after literally, I've been dead serious, 3 hours, yes. After 3 hours of a stupid, annoying cat and mouse chase with this train, here it finally comes, Red Depot Street. And I am being serious, I'm actually not even lying either. I am being dead serious. Last time we've been here for 3 hours waiting on this train. And here it comes. I'm trying to find the best view. Let's see. We saw the green light at like 5:30 or 5:40. Here it is going on 8 or 9 o'clock. I think 8 o'clock. Here it is going at 8 o'clock, and here he finally comes. So we've had this for 3 hours, almost 4 hours actually. It's been a brutal cat and mouse chase between this train. But finally, here it comes. It's moving on too. It looks like. But yeah, we're finally catching this train. This has been the world's longest cat and mouse chase I've ever had. This was really annoying, but I'm gonna catch this train for you. But I was gonna catch this train for you guys no matter what. I don't think it's anything special. I don't think it's a special train like a Heritage. I think it's just a regular train. I think Jake said grain. I think it's a grain train. This grain train seems to be moving on too. The last train of the night, because my mom's gas is almost on a fourth, which is close to empty, so we had to get home. So it might not be the best video or best quality because it is dark time and Depot Street has no lights. So sorry the quality isn't the best in the world, but it's the best I can do, unfortunately. And it's unfortunately the best I can do. What track is he on? Actually, I think he's on the main track. I think so. Yeah, he's on the main. After 3 hours of waiting, after this, we're out, guys. We've been way too long and painful. That's as long as I've ever had to wait for a train before. So. But, I think it's worth it because grain trains are actually not that common for me at least. Like I don't really see too many grain trains on my channel, so it's a little uncommon. And here's the end right here, so it's a pretty short grain train. On the track right here.